damage we found to our pop top as we recorded episode 3 back in June of 2020. This was right after we bought our Pretium. We tried to patch her up as best as possible by covering the egg-shaped crack with a white duct tape. Then we put a new face on the front starboard so we could attach the handle that we just sanded and stained back on. We really lucked out when we found an undamaged pop top from a used C22 on Facebook. It took about 10 months, but we finally swapped both pop tops out in June 2021. Well, we came 1 week after that big storm, the Claudette, Tropical Storm Claudette, and we fared okay. Our fenders did fine. There's a bunch of scratches I never noticed before, so maybe those are new. We did get scratches on the side.
We shouldn't have.
There's a bunch of them.
Those are probably from earlier.
I never noticed them before.
Oh no, those have been on there. Those have been on there.
I never noticed them before. So the project for today is to change out the pop top for that one that we got in Atlanta because it doesn't have a big egg hole in it. The problem is getting the pop top on and off because there's a lip that gets stuck when we try to slide it off. And there's two ways to do this, probably. Either taking the mast down, which we're not going to do, or removing one of those teak wood slider things, which is what he's doing now. So we can slide it out and slide the new one in. And then we did purchase metal, I don't know what they're called, but the pop top goes automatically up and down. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but I wanted to install those, but I just found out you have to have the mast down for those. Why would you have to have the mast down for those?
So you can tilt it all the way up. You want it past the point of where you have to tilt it, you know, up, so you can get it in there and set them.
So past the point where we lift it up and put it into that
Right.
hook?
So that's why you have to do it with the thing down.
So we've already purchased them and they're already here. So when we sell the boat, they will go with the boat and the new owners can install them before they put the mast up. Bummer. What is it?
Those things are stuck. That's good.
Well, when you installed them, didn't you put some of that
Yeah, I
goop,
put that
white
in there,
goop
but-
stuff?
Yep, I did. You can't take it off. This is coming out of here.
Well, just try not to break shit. Not going to end well. You want me to look for something that can work as a mallet? Because I think you're just going to bend that metal tool. I'm not sure what he's doing now. Oof, I hear cracking. Please don't let that be the fiberglass cracking. Oh, that tool's gonna go flying in the water. Do you want me to hold it on one end? He said I got it. Oh, Lord. I feel like I should be there in case that tool goes flying in the water. Let me catch up and get there. So I know you got it, but I'm just scared that tool's gonna go flying in the water. It's hung up on where?
It's not hung up on anything, it's right here. Oh, wow.
careful. Oh, that scares me. Well, we know that white goop works really well. There, it's out. I need to do all that. Do we have more of that white goop for when we put it back on?
Yep.
I hope the other pop top has the holes already in the same place. What are the chances of that?
Slimming now because I'm the one that put.
Oh.
There's a shit ton of holes.
I was gonna say, you put a lot of screws on that thing. That handle was not gonna fall off. What was that?
That was the handle.
Oh.
Handle is the long one. Because I got to take this white thing off. I'll leave it over here.
I don't think we should throw it away, but somebody might want it. Give it away for free. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. It better fit.
I got it. That's really not doing much right there anyway. So.
What is?
I mean, it's covered, so.
You want me to put it in the grooves in front?
It's on there.
It is? Oh.
Perfect.
Look at that.
New holes part.
Are we going to take it out to drill it though first? We can use the old one.
You know how many holes are on this right now?
Oh, I didn't look.
Yeah, there's a ton of them.
So you can reuse the same holes?
Yeah.
Good. It's like pretty windy out here. It doesn't seem like 20 knots, but up in the sound, right up where we usually sail, if it's windy here, it's gonna be killer over there. Look, that sailboat. Well, I think they have the motor and the sail up.
They have the motor up and the sail up?
Not motor up, motor in. They have the motor going, I
Is there
think.
motor sailing today?
I think so, because they wouldn't be going that fast if it was just the sail. I don't think. Not that windy. As usual, I'm ever so helpful. Good Lord. Look at this boat. Oof. What? Why is this boat rocking so hard? None of the other ones are rocking. We're barely rocking. Just hanging out. Do you want me to hold something so you can get it straight?
I got it. All I got to do is screw now.
You got your fan, you got your water, you got your wind. You still look miserable. You ready for boat life? Yeah? You want me to hold it from the top?
I gotta make sure it's in the right hole. See if I can get the screw to go.
Whoa, dude. What are you doing? What are you doing now?
See if the battery's out.
Is it the new battery or the battery that came with the boat?
The old battery.
The battery that came with the boat is not charging. We're gonna have to pause on the pop top because there's a piece of starboard board that goes over that piece right there. That's on the old one that we just took off, and it's stuck so well on the one that we took off we can't get it off to put it on this one, so we can't put the handle on yet. So we're gonna take the old pop top home with us and take the starboard piece off and bring it back next day off and install it with the handle. But in the meantime, now we're trying to figure out why the battery's not charging, the old one. It is from 2011, isn't it? 10 years old?
Yeah, but it should still register.
I've had the solar panels, this one and this one.
It should still register.
I hope you don't have to make a new piece of starboard for that thing, because that one was...
No, I got a piece of board that came with the
The most cussing I've ever heard you do on any of these boat projects was making that piece of starboard because of the angles. We've had this boat for a year and we've yet to ever put the actual cushions in the inside, the cloth ones. I can't believe it's been a year since we got this boat. We're still working on it. We haven't done a project though in a while, and by we I mean you. What's the next project gonna be after
Sell it.
the pop top? Sell it. Somebody's done with projects.
Sell it on this boat.
Well, when we get a bigger boat, there's gonna be a lot more to fix. You got boob sweat. Are you comfortable, little girl? This whole entire boat, all these places in the shade to lay down, but we gotta be on Mama's lap. So the battery still doesn't work, or do we need to get the meter to test it? We'll bring the meter when we come back next week? Alrighty. So we're not gonna know if it's fixed or not. What are we doing now? We're done? Ooh, I broke a sweat with my fan and my dog and her water. Not sure if you all noticed, but I asked him if I could help him like 10 times throughout the day, and he turned me down every single time. No dolphins today, and no sailing. We could have tried, but I honestly need to be in a frame of mind. Yeah, it's ready, it's working. It's hidden in the shade somewhere on the ground, closer to the box, the white box of the other person. Are you surprised I fixed it? I mean, I barely sprayed into it and the key just came right out. It's like the duct tape of liquids. It's the Windex of duct tape. The tide has gone down almost, probably like 3 feet since we got here. We haven't been here that long.
Back on and go.
All right, go ahead. Is the acetone coming with us?
Yeah.
Okay. Why, will it blow up in the heat? No bueno. Yours truly made those. If y'all haven't seen the videos, I don't remember which video it is, but it is one of the first 10 probably. All right, Zozo ready to go. Hey guys, thanks for watching our 49th video. If you've made it this far, you either love torture or you love us. We are well on our way to living our life at sea. So if you haven't already done so, how about subscribing to our channel? Oh, and don't forget to like our video, even if you didn't like it. Kidding, just hopefully you liked our video. And if any of you are full-time Liveaboards already, would love it if you could comment below and leave us one piece of advice that you would give yourself the first few weeks of transitioning from living on land to living on water. Thanks, and hope to see you on video number 50. I can't believe it's 50 already. Wow. And we haven't even moved into our boat yet. Cheers.